But it is fucking Saturday, and we're having a good fucking time.
My bike. That's cool. No one cares about you.
No, we need this on tape.
It's a 110. They were built for this. Fire to hand them off. There we go.
Hell yeah! Fucking right, brother! But it is fucking Saturday, and we're having a good fucking time. You know, fucking, there's a big ass fire over there. There's fucking fireworks going on over here. You know, I got my girl right here. Fucking high noon.
Yeah, buddy.
The only thing I'm missing? Goddamn pit bike.